Ayo, the matcha is so good. I love it.
No surprise for you. Surprise for you. Fish and chips.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show you guys what I bought back in October and also this month. So I'll start with what I purchased in October. I kind of like went a little crazy at Sephora again. So I will show you what I got. I bought this It Cosmetics CC cream to try. I would say it's not bad because it's quite hydrating. I have really dry skin and also oily T-zone, so I would say my skin type is more like a combo. And then I got the ABH Anastasia Blurring Serum Blush, I think that's what you call it, in the shade Guava. Is what I have on right now. It kind of faded a little bit because I went out just now. It's a really cute shade. Let me just swatch it. I really love it because it's so easy to blend. I really highly recommend this blush if you like liquid blush. I love liquid blush, so I think it's really cute. It's such a cute pink color. Next, I also got the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush Brush. Is that what you call it? Soft Pinch Brush. I've already used it. It's really good for liquid blushes. It looks so seamless on your skin after you use this to blend. And then I got the Sephora Pro Brushes. Pro Concealer Brush in 57. Sephora Pro Concealer Brush. And I also got the Pro Blush Brush 93. It's really cute. I haven't tried this both yet. So I bought some stuff not only from Sephora but also from Shopee as well. I bought this from the Clio's official store, which is their mascara. I would say it's almost very similar to the Kiss Me Heroine. I feel like there's not much difference. If you're already using Kiss Me's mascara, then I don't see you changing it to this because not much difference though. So I like these three shades because it matches my skin tone very well. It's really nice. I think it's really worth it. You should go get it while they still have it. It's from their holiday set, I think. The normal price, these are all full sizes by the way. Normal price for one is 120 ringgit. So can you imagine the girl math? Can you imagine how much you'll be saving getting 4 of this for 200? Next, I got the Rare Beauty's lip liner in the shade Talented, like a nude brown, because I feel like my lips really match brown shades. Next, I got Z. I bought this from Shopee as well. It's the e.l.f. primer. Next, I got the Rare Beauty Brow Harmony Duo Definition and blah blah blah. Next, I got the Anastasia Velvet Lip Duo. Save the best for last. I just bought this today. I just went to Paradigm just now and got this at the Sephora. It's fresh skincare. So let me just point out that today is the last day, 2nd November, to get this free tote bag. You get a free not full size, 100 ml Rose Deep Hydrating Facial Toner. If you buy 450 ringgit above, you get this. So worth it. This alone is 118 ringgit, you know. I got this set because I really wanted to try their hydrating toner and their face cream. Resilient Skin Duo, which has the kombucha and the serum. I've tried this in the sample size and it's so good. If you have dry skin, this is so good because it's so hydrating. Rose Deep Hydration Balancing Emulsion. So that's all I got from Sephora and Shopee. Oh my god, I forgot to mention, I also got these. Okay, I also got the Sephora Express Polish Remover. And I bought these other two new polish from Sephora as well. It's so cute. The blue one I'm wearing right now. That's all I got.
Oh, to get away from your accents.
Hairdryer, I feel like it's not a want, it's a need. So I don't mind like paying this much for hairdryer. Wow, she's pretty. The neural technology thing.
Hello everyone!
Today we'll be trying souvenirs from Patreon. So
Oppa sarahe oppa. I got a shrimp, zero, peach, and kiwi jelly, dark chocolate cake, brownie,
we got the brownie.
peach, peach.
Adam doesn't have it. Okay, so what do you want to try first? Oh, it smells good.
Ooh. Biscuit. No crummies, huh?
No. It actually tastes like the digestive biscuit from Mark and Spencer.
Well, it tastes better than Kong gives you a souvenir from China. Oh, joking, Kong. If you see this, it's joke roll.
Don't have.
Oh, don't have. It's not all sugar free, by the way. Okay, I'm trying the dark cocoa cake. Dark cocoa cake. We're trying dark cocoa cake. Wow, this is the one that I like, love.
Oh,
Like the
ruby pie.
Like the
Ruby pie.
cocoa pie thing. Beep. It's so good. I'm gonna lick the plastic.
Next we're gonna try the jelly. I'm not really big fan of jellies.
I give the
Oh, this one is like it comes in a few pieces. Very nice. I think Lotte product very good. It's from Lotte. All this.
wow, it's better than the gummy.
All gummy.
The gummy best. The brownies. We love brownies.
Let's try it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oi!
Yeesh.
My god! Bapak sedap! This one I give it a 8.
I'll give this an 8 as well. It's really good.
Yeah, it's very good.
If it's 0 calories, I give 10. So I eat it every single day.
Oh, this one I will have to give it a 10. This is my
Oh,
favorite.
0 sugar eh. 0
This
sugar.
is a 10. This one damn good. Aiyo, I wish patient give me more of this lah. I would substitute everything, all these 4, with that.
Give it like a 7 because I'm not a big fan of like soft ass cakes. Oh, I love this
I love gummy.
gummies.
Gummy, I give it
I give it a 9.
I give it an 8.
If it's rainbow color, I'll give 10.
But
I don't like the color.
and then lastly, the brownies. That's why I seriously have to give a 10. The brownies was amazing. And some more it's like packaged. It's not
Yeah.
like freshly baked, no.
Yeah, it tastes good.
And it's like packaging and it's damn good.
I'll give it an 8.
Damn good.
I'll give it a 10 if there's vanilla ice cream.
What? Okay, so that's our rating for the souvenirs that Patient and Hansen bought for us.
Thank you,
Thank you very
guys.
much.
Also, guys, I put my hair. This is the nasty. Please ignore mine.
After the first one,
I don't know
don't have the.
Thank you.
I don't know what's to do.
No, they got the abalone.
Abalone. Yum 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 yum. So I got another parcel from Sephora before their Black Friday sales. It's mostly just hair care stuff because I need to like stock up. So I bought this Tangle teaser. I heard really good reviews about this. Next, I got Wave's anti-freeze cream. It's really good. I tried the sample size first. I tried this size at first and it was so good. It really tamed my freeze, and I redeem another one for travel purposes. And then I'm trying this new cleanser from Suwasu. It's the gentle cleansing foam because my cleanser is running out, so I just wanted to try this. And then I got the Ordinary serums. It has the niacinamide and the hyaluronic acid. I've tried the niacinamide one and it's really good, so I can't wait to try the hyaluronic acid one as well. And I also redeem a Waist hair mask for thick hair. So I want to try this first before buying the full size because I ain't gonna waste no money.